Viva Organic Castor Oil for Eyelashes and Eyebrows 16 fluid ounces, USDA Organic, Pure Hexane-Free Moisturizer traditionally used for hair growth, natural skin and eyelash serum, cold pressed with beauty kit. Brand, Viva. Style, Castor Oil. Product dimensions, 3.25 x 8.13 by 2.5 inches, 1.19 pounds. Size, 16 FL Oz, pack of 1. Skin type, all. Product benefits, hydration, traditional support for hair growth, thicker eyelashes. Use for, whole body. Item model number, 2041. Department, hair thickening products for women. Scent, unscented. Special ingredients, organic, solvent and hexane-free. Manufacturer, Viva Naturals. Item form, liquid. Oil consistency, thick liquid oil. Glowing skin, beautiful brows, and soft hair. Traditionally used for hair growth and fuller-looking eyelashes. Cold pressed from the seeds of the castor plant, Viva Naturals Organic Castor Oil is a simple way to look and feel beautiful, naturally. It's an age-old beauty secret traditionally used in ancient Egypt to support hair growth, and it's become a must-have oil in every modern beauty lover's pantry. Use it alone or add it to a castor oil eyelash serum, brow treatment, or massage a few drops into the scalp. Castor oil is a truly multi-purpose beauty secret. Use our castor oil for eyebrows, eyelashes, hair, or scalp at-home DIY treatments. We include a small mascara vial and a variety of brushes in every shipment. Our castor oil organic is also great for helping hair appear thicker. Add a few drops to shampoo or conditioner, or massage it directly into the scalp before bed. Are you whipping up some DIY skin and hair care recipes? Castor oil makes an ideal hydrating and softening ingredient. Add it to your own creations, including body butter, scrubs, and natural oil cleansers. You can even use our castor oil for soap making. Traditionally used for hair growth and luster, an age-old beauty secret revered in ancient Egypt, castor oil has been used traditionally to support hair growth. Our castor oil for hair is a nourishing and hydrating moisturizer for the appearance of thicker, shinier, healthier-looking hair. Beautiful brows and fuller-looking eyelashes. Our pure castor oil for eyelashes makes a great eyebrow and eyelash serum for daily use. Rich in fatty acids, castor oil was traditionally used in folk medicine to promote thicker and longer eyelashes. Solvent and hexane-free, Viva Naturals castor oil is USDA certified organic, cold-pressed, pure, natural, and hexane-free. This organic hair oil is made with only the highest grade of castor oil, without the use of harsh chemicals or solvents. Great for glowing skin and healthy-looking nails, castor oil hydrates more than just your hair and scalp. Used alone or added to lotions, our castor oil for skin makes a nourishing, skin-softening moisturizer for the face and body, or apply a few drops around the nails to hydrate nail beds and cuticles. Beauty kit with lash and brow brushes. Each bottle has a complete beauty kit for all your at-home beauty needs. Mascara wand, 10 ml mascara vial, brush stopper, brow brush and liner brush. Remember to insert the plastic brush stopper into the top of the mascara bottle before storing it to prevent leaks.